Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will take a look at how to apply for options trading in your Chase U Invest platform. Chase U Invest, if you are unaware, it's Chase's platform or brokerage account for retail investors to buy and sell stocks. Basically, your brokerage account that Chase provides to their retail customers. Now, if you are not familiar with the process, you aren't allowed to trade options when you open a brokerage account. There is an application process. So you apply to have the ability to trade options. The brokerage firm reviews that and then they either approve or deny your application. In the case of Chase U Invest, the process is easy, but it's not very straightforward. So that is what we would go over in this video. Also, I have another video on my channel where I go through how to open a Chase U Invest account and get the $725 sign-up bonus. If you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend checking that video out before going through this video. I'll try to link that in the iCard here. Okay, so let's log into our Chase account and let's go through the application process. Alright guys, so we are currently logged into our Chase account. Just keep in mind I will be blurring out some of the sensitive information from my account. So in order to apply for the options trading, we first go to the hamburger icon on the top left corner after you log in, which is the main menu. Then we go to Profile and Settings. I can see that the whole thing is not showing up on the screen capture, but just click on the Profile and Settings button over here. Then we click on Investments, and then we click on this option, Apply for Options. There it will tell you to choose an account. So we choose our U Invest trading account, and that brings us to our options application page. So there are a few steps in this application process. We will go through each and every one of them. The first thing we have to answer is which level of options trading do we want on our account. Level 1 is the basic options trading level. You could trade covered calls, you could trade cash covered puts and protective puts. And level 2 is a little more advanced, it's a little more risky, and you could buy long equity calls, long equity puts, and everything that's included in level 1 over here. So if you guys are not familiar with exactly what options are, I do have a detailed video on that on my channel as well, especially geared towards beginners. If you're not familiar with what calls and puts are, if you're new to options, I'll also try to link that in the iCard here. So I will go ahead and choose level 2 options. And then it asks a few questions like estimated individual annual income, estimated individual liquid net worth, estimated individual net worth in total. And they also ask us about the trading experience in terms of stocks, fixed income, and options. We have to put in the number of years that we've traded each of these asset classes. So what I will do is I will pause this video right here, so I will put in this information and come back to it. Okay, after we have filled out that information, they would ask us about our investment objective, as in why we're investing or applying for the options capability. So what is your objective in terms of this investment? Are you looking for income? Are you looking for growth? Are you looking for speculation? And it also asks some information such as your marital status, your dependent situation, and here's your date of birth that is pre-populated. It also asks for your employment information. So after we put in all this information over here, we agree to the terms and conditions and we click on submit. All right, and that brings us to this screen. Application received. Thanks for applying. We will email you about your account status shortly. Please note it may take up to 1 business day to fully process your application. Additionally, you may be unable to place new orders if you submit an application multiple times. So guys, as far as the application is concerned, that is all we need to do to apply for options trading on the Chase U Invest platform. Now we wait for Chase or JP Morgan to review our application and let us know their decision. All right guys, within a few minutes of submitting the application, we received the email from Chase U Invest. It says you're now approved to trade level 2 options. That's the one we applied for. You can now trade the following strategies in your U Invest trading account: covered calls, protective puts, cash secured puts, equity calls and puts. It also says, please note, we recommend reviewing the information you provided to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, there's no action required. If your investment objective or financial situation changes in the future, please be sure to update that information. You can review and update your information by going to chase.com and choosing profile and settings, then options application, and selecting your trading account. So guys, it's pretty straightforward, and Chase apparently gives you their decision really quickly. So just wanted to share the email that you would potentially receive with you guys as well. So guys, that is it. It's pretty simple, but it's not really obvious as it is with certain accounts. But once you know where to go to apply for options, it is fairly simple. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave that in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.